Hey, I'm Tamara Krinsky with the International Documentary Association. We're here at the annual Oscar nominee reception celebrating the best of this year's documentary films. I'm here with Philippe Petit, who is the subject of the wonderful film Man on Wire. How does it feel being at an event like this tonight celebrating your film?
It's always nice to have congratulations, to receive awards. It's not my goal in life, but my goal in life is to work, is to concentrate on the next walk and the next show. But for an artist, it's very important to have, people tell you that what you do is great, or to give you this encouragement that every artist needs as well. So I am very happy to be here.
Making this film, you were able to relive much of your experience with the Twin Towers. How was it seeing all of the footage, going through that experience again for you?
Well, it's exactly what you said. I relived it. I didn't remember it. And there are actually scenes in the film in which I reenact, what happened. And so it was very, very exciting. But I first wrote a book, To Reach the Clouds, from which the movie Man on Wire was taken. So by reading the book, I relived the story the first time, but by collaborating with James Marsh, the director, I relived the story a second time, and now looking at the final product on the screen is the third time. So it's very nice, and I'm not tired of my adventure, as you can imagine.
It's said several times in the movie that you have a bad boy quality. You like to do things that push the edge.
Yeah, but you see, bad boy, no, it's what other people say about me, but me, I find that totally normal to go through life and as an artist to not ask all the time permission. I mean, an artist shouldn't do that. I mean, of course, if you don't break important laws, if you break little laws, so what? It's probably part of being an artist to disregard the rules, don't you think?
I absolutely think so. This film has been recognized in so many different ways. How does being recognized by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences feel?
I know it's very important, and in a few days, if the film wins the Best Documentary Award, it's going to be extremely important for the film and for everybody who worked on the film. And again, I put myself in maybe on a higher form of field. I walk on a tightrope, I live in the clouds, so what happened on Earth is less important to me than dialoguing with the birds, but I know the importance of being here and the importance of the Man on Wire to have been nominated and maybe to win.
Something else I had a question about. They talk at the Oscars a lot about fashion. What's everybody wearing? My question for you is, what's your advice for footwear for when you're walking on a wire?
I was going to say the word fashion. I'm running away from it. I know nothing about fashion and I'm not really interested. I mean, it's nice to be elegant, and I go through life and I pick up little things that I like, but I don't know about fashion. But footwear, well, the best footwear is the one given to you at your birth. It's your skin, it's barefoot. I think everybody should go to the Oscar barefoot. That will be the best.